Kamusta mga balibulista? Wagi ang inyo Bulldogs kontra sa UP Fighting Marons 25-20, 25-23, 27-25. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Joshua Ritamar matapos humakot ng 12 points mula sa 3 attacks, 3 blocks, 6 aces at nagtala ng 20 excellent sets. Pinataob naman ng Delays of Green Spikers ang Ateneo Blue Eagles 23-25, 25-17, 25-18, 21-25, 15-11. Best player of the game si John Mark Ronquillo sa likod ng kanyang 20 points mula sa 16 attacks, 3 blocks, 1 ace. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Para naman sa Women's Division, tinalo din ng inyo Lady Bulldogs ang UP Lady Marons 25-17, 25-16, 25-17. Best player of the game si Vanji Alinsod matapos nagtala ng 15 points mula sa 13 attacks, 1 block, 1 ace. Pinadapa naman ng Delays Lady Spikers ang Ateneo Lady Eagles 25-12, 25-22, 25-19. Best player of the game si Tia Gagate matapos humakot ng 15 points mula sa 9 attacks, 5 blocks, 1 ace. Heto ang team standings ng Men's Division as of March 2, 2024. FEU Tamaros 3 wins 0 loss. Enyo Bulldogs 3 wins 1 loss. Delays Green Spikers 3 wins 1 loss. UST Golden Spikers 2 wins 1 loss. Ateneo Blue Eagles 2 wins 2 losses. Adamson Soaring Falcons 1 win 2 losses. UE Red Warriors 0 win 3 losses. UP Fighting Maroon 0 win 4 losses. Heto naman ang team standing sa Women's Division as of March 2, 2024. UST Golden Tigresses 3 wins 0 loss. Delays Lady Spikers 3 wins 1 loss. NU Lady Bulldogs 3 wins 1 loss. FEU Lady Tamaros 2 wins 1 loss. UE Lady Warriors 1 win 2 losses. Adamson Lady Falcons 1 win 2 losses. Ateneo Lady Eagles 1 win 3 losses. UP Lady Maroon 0 win 4 losses. Heto naman ang mga laro ngayong March 3, 2024 nagaganapin sa Molovicia Arena. Maghaharap ang UE Red Warriors at Adamson Soaring Falcons alas 10 ng umaga. Maglalaban naman ang UST Golden Spikers at FEU Tamaraos alas 12 ng tanghali. Para naman sa Women's Division, magtutuos ang UE Lady Warriors at Adamson Lady Falcons alas 2 ng hapon. Kakalabanin naman ng UST Golden Tigresses ang FEU Lady Tamaraos alas 4 ng hapon. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.